Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change oil Toyota Tacoma 2014. Park on level ground and gather oil, filter, wrench, drain pan, funnel, jack, and jack stands. Loosen the drain plug before lifting the truck, then raise and secure with stands. Drain oil fully, replace filter, reinstall plug, refill with correct oil, and check for leaks. Finish with a reset of the maintenance. Warm the engine a few minutes to help oil flow, then shut it off and set the parking brake. Place a drain pan under the oil pan and loosen the drain plug carefully, using gloves to protect your hands. Allow all oil to drain until the stream slows to a drip. Clean the drain plug and magnet, replace the crush washer if needed, and loosely reinstall the plug while you prepare the new filter. Remove the old oil filter and wipe the mounting surface clean with a rag. Apply a thin film of fresh oil to the new filter gasket and hand thread it until snug, then finish per spec. Lower the vehicle, refill with the recommended oil capacity, and check the dipstick for correct level. Start the engine briefly to circulate oil, then recheck for leaks and proper level, topping off as necessary before road testing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.